Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn formatting a map. So let's get started. Let's insert a map. We will click here on this map icon, expand this map and put some data inside the fields. We'll put state inside location, cells inside bubble size, and region inside legend. To format a map, we have to go here in format your visuals. Let's click here. Inside this, we can find two options or two tabs, visual and general. Let's start with the visual and map settings. Let's expand the map settings. Inside map settings, we can find two options, style and controls. With style, you can change the style of the map. We have different types of styles like Arial, dark, light and grayscale. Let's click here on Arial. This is the aerial view. You can explore many other options. Right now, we can control the map with our mouse cursor. We can zoom in and zoom out the map. But if you want to put the buttons for zoom in and zoom out, then you can click here on controls and enable the zoom buttons. Now here you can see the buttons zoom in and zoom out. We can also enable the lasso button. Here is the lasso button. Lasso button is used to highlight the specific points on a map. Let me demonstrate. Let's click here on this button and select these points. Now you can see that only the points that have been selected are highlighted and the other points are blurred now. To come out from this view, click anywhere inside the map. Now let's format the legend. Let's click here on legend. We have many options inside legend like position, text and title. Let's position them at the center or top center. Here you can see they have been positioned at the top center. Let's go inside text, increase the text size and change the font style to Georgia and change the color to black. From here, you can change, enable or disable the title. If you want to change the text, then you can click here and change the region to regions. Now let's go in general tab. Inside general tab, we'll go in title. We have a title, sum of cells and something. Let's change it into states of Australia and align it at the center. Increase its size, make it bold. And that's it. Now let's increase the size of this map